Lo. Sama na. What's up guys? So today I'm gonna try out this mini microscope na akong nakita diri sa TikTok shop. Nagbarato ra kay. So I have my ecosystem here. Grabe guys, ako ra ning gibiyaan diri sa gawas for like months. It basically turned into a mini ecosystem. And I added some shrimp, of course. But this creature intrigues me because it suddenly appeared out of nowhere. Like wala lagun na ako ga-add dira sa aquarium, kalit lag butho guys. Don't forget to check the yellow basket or the link down below to check out this mini microscope. So let's check out the creature guys. Lisod kay ni idakop guys, kay lihugan jud kayo ang creature. Purting kapaswas oh. Panahon makitaan. Oh yan. I-focus na ako. Uy, wala. Unsa ka ni guys? I-comment ninyo down below guys. Unsa ka ni na creature? Or it resembles like a clam kung siguro niyo or crustacean. Ni guys, sorry na guys, naglisod ako dako pa ni guys kay kuan. Sige, we'll try again. I-check ninyo ang yellow basket pakwa aning microscope. And also comment down below what kind of creature do you think this is?